Once again to my channel and Facebook page. So you guys, today I'd like to share an apparatus that is called, you can say, microliter, and how to use microliter and how to use microliter for micropipetting. Today I'd like to show you in detail. So without any further ado, let's get started. You are seeing that it's a microliter and bioheat, probably its name. And if you'd like to take, you can say, proper ml or liter, that means after 2 digit, that means it may be 40.28, that means you are measuring 40.28 properly, but after 28 you are not able to properly measure. So if you'd like to measure properly, like after 28, like 32, then we have to use this microliter for proper transferring. So at first if you'd like to use this specific microliter, at first we will take this microliter and then we will use this specific portion and we will attach here. And after attaching or after connecting this specific portion, we will check this specific, that means you are seeing that it's a 90.6, but if you'd like to change this specific portion, we'll use here (3.2). From a specific portion we will rotate and we will change into 3.2. That means after 40.28 we need 3.2. It's a 3.2, that means it is equivalent to 3.2. Then we will use this specific apparatus. In this specific apparatus, like microliter, when we will connect this specific portion in the upper end of this specific microliter, then in this specific upper portion of this apparatus, that means here is two, you can say, posing distance. When you will press here, that means one press, then you will you can say feel an obstacle, and when you will press strongly, then that means 2 times pressing will be done. But when you'd like to you can say bring 30 point, that means 40.38, that means 40.2832, that means the remaining portion of 3.2, then we have first select this 3.2 from here, and then we will press this specific portion in the upper portion of this apparatus, and we will just softly press here, one press, just one press. That means after dipping this specific upper end, we will just press single press, and we are seeing that this specific amount, just you are seeing that this specific amount has been filled, and we will transfer here. You are just see it was very negligible amount, and in this way we will transfer, you can say, microliter amount from one specific portion on a specific reagent bottle to the, you can say, conical flask or volumetric flask that is essential for reaction purpose. So in this way we will be able to do micropipetting. So guys, if you'd like to know any topic that is related to chemistry, then you can hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching this kind of videos in near future. So guys, stay tuned, stay connected with this channel, and hit the subscribe button for again such kind of videos in near future. All the best wishes for you. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.